Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the windshield wiper blade, exact fit rear. This is the 14-inch by TRICO. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased out of my own money from eBay. This one is the $10.20. Free shipping, and then with the tax in total is about $11.09. And I saw this was rated 5 out of 5 stars. So anyway, I was gonna go ahead and give it a try. Before I purchased like a Michelin and then Goodyear from Costco, and somehow they tend to fail within 1 year or two. So anyway, going to try this on, but this one's for the rear wiper. Let's go ahead and open this up and then see what's inside here. So it says rear wiper blade, TRICO exact fit. This one's the 14-inch. It says 14-B, factory replacement. So I read some of the review from Walmart when they purchased a different brand, saying that it did not fit, but not this brand. So go and pop it out and see. Yeah, so if it's during like hot weather or hot summer, they tend to mess up the blade. So yeah, be sure you have a fluid before you turn on your wiper, so the rubber doesn't get like messed up. And right here's like an instruction. Let's see. So it says this blade fit this arm, and how to remove it. So you need to lift up your arm and then turn your blade. And installation, you do the reverse. Alright, so let's go and then go out there and do some installation. I'm going to install this on the 2017 Honda Pilot Elite. So make sure you got the right orientation, okay? There's like a 2 notch right here, so. And right here is a straight line. You step around about right here on this side. Alright, so this is my old blade. As you can see the indentation right there. So the round one has to go toward the left hand side, okay? So you're gonna lift it up and then give it a twist. Don't be afraid, okay? You're gonna do the same thing. Should you lock into there and then turn it. So make sure you the middle section go into that cutout right there. Be sure to push downward, okay? And now push it. There you go. And that's it. So this is the all broken one right here. You see all the blades are gone. Well, actually I had to peel it off because it was smudging the window when I tried to wipe it. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.